yeah, that's purple. Welcome to Eryn's Toy Review channel. Today, we're gonna open I Dig Monsters. I Dig Monsters. We have the Jumbo Popsicle and the Popsicle pack. Here. So, okay, open you. Okay, let's open. Popsicle pack and purple. What color is that?
Purple. Blue.
Very good. So we have here I Dig Monster popsicle pack with blue color. So let's open. Let's open. Open. Okay, this is the popsicle cutters. Okay, we will open the popsicle vessel. So, here's what inside. It looks like a jelly-like material. Then, we're going to put it in the plate.
Mommy.
Okay, you open it. Okay, we can use this. This is the popsicle stick tools. Open. Hold it. Give me. And we have two popsicle stick tools, and we have the water wax popsicle vessel, and we're going to use these popsicle stick tools to slice this jelly like. Let's slice. Let's slice and let's see what's inside. Look, Oji will look.
Wow.
There's the shape cutters.
Look, Daddy. It's inside.
So we can scrape like this. You try to this one. Okay, this is the Monji monster. And let's slice. You try. You slice. You find this. Oh, there's another one. Here. So let's open this. And let's see what's the Monji monster look like. So we got the purple Monji monster. Oh, there is the cup. She has accessory cup. Look. You put the cup. And oh, it's color change. Yeah, the monster. So we have the popsicle shape cutters and the where's the ice cream? You hold this. So let's try the purple one. So let's open. This is the popsicle stick tools.
Look, Mommy. It's this one. Look at this.
a jelly-like material. No, we will put it here. You will scrape. Like this one. This one. Like this one. Like this one. Scrape. Scrape and slice. This way. This way. You try. Okay, you slice the jelly. Popsicle. So slice. And grate. Oh, look. Oh. So there's another shape cutters, Diva. Look here. Here. And another one. This is a star shape. Look, star. Oh, we have that a green one. Light green. Oh, there's a accessory. Looks like a bathtub or a basin. Let's see. So there's the monster, the DJ monster to collect. So it's color change reveal. You will put the Monji monster into icy cold water in 10 seconds. And what reveal did you find? So we got, who's this? This is Bling Monji. Cactus Monji. So they are 28 Monji looks to find. This is the iDig Monster Jumbo Popsicle. Okay, we will open this one. This is the pink one. This is Goody, the giant flash. So we will get the popsicle vessel inside the mouth of the Monji Jumbo Monster, and then unwrap the popsicle vessel and slice, grate, and rebuild the Monji monster. So let's open. This is the, let's steal here. So we will open this big Jumbo Popsicle Monster. Wow, there's a big monster. Look what's inside. You get what's inside. Look what did you see in Monji's monster mouth. You get it? Can you get it? Oh, the popsicle. Popsicle too. It's color gray. Look at her mouth. You can put this Monji inside the mouth. Okay, let's open this. The gray one. That's Goody. The name is Goody. Goody. So let's open the gray one. Yeah, monster. Look. Let's slice. Let's try to slice. The other. there are 6 colorful shape cutters to collect. So let's see.
Oh, this is blue. This is blue. This is blue.
So what's the name of that Monji monster, Tracy? Who's that? Let's find. Let's find. That is, who's that? So this is Icicle Monji. Hi! Now we're going to test out the icy Monji monster into the icy cold water. Jiwa, let's try. Let's try. This is Bling Monji. This is from a rare Monji monster. So let's test it out. Look, the cup turns dark blue. There, you put into the water. Dip, dip. So it turns to dark blue. Then we try this. Next is Cactus Monji. Cactus Monji. So let's try. Let's dip into the cold water. Oh, the flower. The flower become red. You put in the water. Look, let's see. Wow, it turns to red. Then next is this is Icicle Monji. We'll try. Dip into the water. The color change into a dark blue. Dark blue. Yeah, dark blue. Which is your favorite? Even among these three, which is your favorite? Okay, say bye. Hi, we're going to open Kindi Kids doll. More Kindi Kids. So let's open. Open. Let's open this. We'll open marshmallow. So we will open marshmallow. So let's cut. Yeah, this is marshmallow. Look, there's a marshmallow, ponytail marshmallow. So we got marshmallow. Look, gold marshmallow. So marshmallow, she is sweet as candy and full of excitement. So the Kindi Kid dolls have 2 Shopkins accessories. So let's open. So we got got the K-pop.
Green dog. Green.
K-pop.
Green dog.
And the
Green.
baby
Marshall.
Sino.
Marshall, get Marshall.
So you feed Marshmallow.
Marshmallow is as sweet as candy. She has a big blue glittery eyes with pastel swirls. There's a marshmallow ponytail and a rainbow curls hair. She has a marshmallow printed design dress and a marshmallow shoes too. Marshmallow head can wobbles and bubbles. Marshmallow has two snack time accessories, the K-pop and the baby Sino. So let's try the cake pop. You need to remove it from the wrapper and push to Marshmallow's mouth and see she take a bite from it. That's cool. To repeal, you need to put it back again.
Pink color.
Okay, next is Donatina. So, Kindi kids, they are the preschooler in Rainbow Kindi, a place where they play and make new friends. So, this is the cereal bowl for Donatina, and we have the spoon, cereal spoon. You try it to Donatina. You feed her. There.
Donatina, she is pretty in pink. She loves making friends. She has donut style dress and a headband with donut design and a sprinkled donut shoes. Donatina has two snack time accessories, the cereal bowl and the spoon. You need to pull it out on the cereal and push to Donatina's mouth and see it disappear. Let's try it again. See? Next, we're going to open Rainbow Cake. Rainbow Cake is the bright and the kind-hearted kid in Rainbow Kindi. She loves cupcake and slushy. Rainbow Kate. She is bright and always positive. There is no a dull moment with her in Rainbow Kindi. She has a highlights on her hair and a rainbow design dress and a cute shoes. She has also a purple hair which is brushable and a purple big glittery eyes. Rainbow Kate also wobbles and bubbles her head. Rainbow Kate has two snack time accessories, the cupcake and the slushy. Next, we're going to open Peppermint. Peppermint, she loves eating ice cream. She has a teal hair. Peppermint. Peppermint got the coolest look. She has a teal hair, an ice cream headband, a tutu dress, and an ice cream shoes. She has 2 snack time accessories, the ice cream and the ice cream scooper with the vanilla flavor, strawberry, and chocolate. The shoes can be removable and you can try it into another Kindi Kids doll. What we like about these Kindi Kids dolls are the dress are changeable and the shoes are removable. So let's try to exchange Rainbow Cape dress and shoes to Marshmallow. It is good that one size fits all. Their accessory has hole so that the Kindi Kid doll can hold it by their hands and see how nice it is.